Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Febreze plugins. So the one on the left is called the plug with scent booster. This is the Febreze plug-in. You simply have to plug it into a wall outlet. Now you can rotate this so that this is pointed up. So we want these holes where the scent is going to come out pointed up at all times. Over here, this has a booster switch. And again, it has a 6-foot cord. You have to plug this in. So this is nice if you want to put this somewhere where there's not an actual physical plug-in. 6 feet long. Again, it takes the same bottle. These are the Febreze plug-in refills. We got all kinds of different scents you can get, but just pop this bottom off, and then you're going to take this refill. Again, this refill fits this one. It's exactly the same. And make sure the plastic is on both of them. When you get one, they do come with caps. Take just the outer caps off, leave that plastic on. And these can be kind of hard. You may have to get some rubber gripper to take those off. They are on, they're awfully hard. Now, let's take a look. So this one, again, they're both gonna heat this wick and put the scent out, and that oil will go away eventually. So with the Febreze, you can plug it in. This has to be pointed up. Now we've got minimum, medium, or low, medium, and high. There is no off. So it's either on low, medium, or high. That's how much scent it puts out. That's all you get. There is a blue light that flashes here. That lets you know when it's time to change out the scent. Take it out, put a new one in, you're ready to go. Over here, we're gonna do the same thing. Here's this one. We've got the same heating thing up there. We're gonna push this in till it clicks, all right? Then put the bottom on, plug it in. Now, again, point it up. Oh, but we have one more adjustment. We can go off. So say you're getting tired of the smell for a while and you want to save it. You can turn this one off. But you can go to low, medium, and high. And then we also have this other special thing, a scent booster button. When you press this, you get 40 minutes of increased fragrance in the room, and then it turns off. And there's a little blue light here. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate them. Here's the plug-in. Again, when you plug it in, that's the light. That just blinks when you first plug it in, then it goes out. If it's blinking at you, that means it's time to change the fragrance. We've got easy attachments. There is no light or night light on this. So now let's plug this one in. Again, it's got the same blue light. We plug it in. The blue light first blinks at us, and then it should go out. If that is blinking continuous, that means it's time to change the fragrance. Now, here's the neat little part. When I want a scent boost, make sure I got it on. I've got it on. I can have it on any of those positions, low, medium, or high. And let's do scent boost. Now, it's not super bright, but it is kind of cool looking. Here it is. And if I can't turn scent boost off unless I actually unplug it. Let me plug it back in. Let me try it on off. I got the switch off. Let's see. I don't know if scent boost is going to work or not. Scent boost does not work if this switch is all the way off. You have to be in low, medium, or high for scent boost to work. Let's try low. Yep, scent boost works. So again, a little bit different. Physical plug-in has to be there. This can be 6 feet away, and you could even hide the cord. But you are going to have to plug something in. It sticks out about the same as the Febreze. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.